Hello students, good morning. So in our last class we discussed about the character sets and identifiers. Identifiers means to assign a name to the variable, to the class, to the object, to the method, to the function. Means while we assign any name, at that time we follow some rules. That all are the identifier rules. So our first rule is we cannot start our variable name with a digit. Means we always start a variable name with alphabets. Second is we cannot leave a blank space. हम उसके अंदर एक blank space नहीं छोड़ सकते. Clear? So our third rule is we cannot use special symbols like plus, minus, semicolon, colon, except dollar and underscore. Means dollar and underscore we able to use it. So next rule is we cannot use the special words, means reserved words. And next our rule is uppercase and lowercase both have different meanings. Means if you give the name to the variable like ABC in a small and ABC in a capital, means both have different meaning. Now our next topic is for today constant and literals. Before going to the constant and literals, let's discuss about the variable. So what is a variable? Variable is a location on the memory where we store a value. It holds the value until new value assigned to it. Means वेरिएबल मेमोरी के ऊपर एक लोकेशन है जिसके ऊपर हम कोई वैल्यू स्टोर करते हैं. ठीक है. इट होल्ड द वैल्यू मीन्स इट होल्ड द वैल्यू को होल्ड करके रखती है, टेम्परली होल्ड करती है. कब तक? until we assign a new value. Means while we assign the new value, it delete the previous value and hold the new value. For example, while you click any image by using your mobile phone, our mobile phone operating system automatically assign a name to our image. ठीक है. Suppose that here is your image and operating system your mobile phone automatically assign a named here ABCDE and our image is stored on the memory and address of the memory is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Same as for the second image saved on the memory and name of the second image is SDFG and the memory location address is 7894. Clear? So in the case of the variable, means how to declare the variable, how to assign the values to the variable, few rules are there. In the English language or in any language, while we write any sentence, जब हम कोई भी sentence लिखते हैं in any language, at that time we follow some grammar rules. Like in the English language, you write a sentence like Ram is going to school. Means to write this sentence we follow a rule over there, and rule is subject plus, what is the rule? Subject plus is, am, are plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Means to write this sentence we follow a grammar rule. Same as here we call sentence and grammar. In the case of programming language we call it syntax. Syntax is data type, name of the variable. So according to the grammar we write here sentence. Same as according to the syntax we are going to write the statement. So syntax is data type. You can choose here any one data type. Int, I is small. Int, name of the variable is according to the identifier rules. Means cannot start with the digit, cannot leave the space, reserved words are not used, like this. That all are we have already discussed. So int ABCD. Int is the data type. Name of the variable is ABCD. Now it's clear. Or next is the how to initialize the variable. Means syntax to declare the initialize. how to declaration of the variable is clear. And initialization of the variable, syntax for initialization is data type name of the variable equal to value, and according to the syntax our statement is data type name of the variable equal to 20. Clear? Means according to the sentence we write here statement. Now our next thing is the data type. So what is the data type? Data type is a storage format. Data type is a storage format that a variable can store to perform specific operation. Storage format that a variable can store to perform a specific operation means data type एक ऐसा format है according to the format we assign or we store the value. Now what is a how many types of data are there, like maybe user want to store a numeric value 1 2 3 4 5 20 30 40 like this. Okay, maybe user want to store the 20.45 means in the decimal form. Okay, maybe user want to store a single value a, multiple characters a b c f, something like that. Okay, next is user want to store the true or false. Now it's clear, means that all are the data, various datas are there. Now according to the data we use the data type. 1 2 3 4 it's a numeric value. For the numeric value, if you want to store the numeric value, then the data type for the numeric is int. For the decimal value, data type is float. For the character value, data type is char. For the multiple characters, for the string value, for the multiple characters, data type is string. S is capital. Java is a case sensitive language, so uppercase and lowercase both have different meaning. So while you type the statements, keep in mind about the upper letters and lower letters. So for the true or false, our data type is boolean. Now it's clear, data type is a storage format. So if the user want to store the numeric value, then our data type is int a b c, means variable name equal to 20 209 and semicolon. Means if you want to store the numeric value, then our syntax is, then how can we write the statement? Our syntax is data type, next is the name of the variable equal to and value. For the float value, means if you want to store the decimal value, then statement is like this. Float is a data type, a b c d something equal to 20.9 means decimal value, and next is the semicolon. Clear? And if user want to store the character, then the data type is char. Example, our example is character, name of the variable is abgh. According to the rules, always give the name according to the identify rules. Here single quotes, write the single quotes and store a single character. Clear? For the number of characters, means string value. Example capital S, string name of the variable is ASDF according to your choice, equal to within double quotes QWERTY something, double quotes close and semicolon. In the case of true false. Our example is easy. Boolean name of the variable equal to true or false without single quotes or without double quotes. B is small. Now it's clear. Means different datas are there. Datas means in the form of numeric, in the form of decimal, a single character, multiple characters, or in the form of true false. According to the data, we use the data type. So data type is a storage format. Means what type of data you want to assign, what type of value you want to store, कैसी आप वैल्यू को स्टोर करना चाहते हो. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वी यूज द data type. Here user want to store the decimal value, so we use here a float data type, but according to the syntax, or our syntax is data type, name of the variable equal to value. I think now it's clear to you about the variable, what is a variable and what is a data type, and various data types are there. Now your homework is firstly to understand these all things very clearly, and if you understand all the things, then please if you not understand the things, then please comment me, then please reply me back onto my WhatsApp number. So please, thank you.